up? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a little install. We got the NRC Clean Tidy Kit for the s1000rr. Probably one of the first things you should probably do on your sport bike is just get your clean and tidy up right there, because yeah, you gotta, clean it up. This should be a really easy install. I've never done one before. It's gonna be my first time with you. And I picked this one in particular because in my opinion, it's just one of the cleanest and nicest clean tidies there's out there on the market for this bike in specific. I was looking at a few others, but this one by far is honestly the cleanest one. By the way, we just hit 40K on the channel. Yes, we did that. So whether you are here for the s1000rr content or the Harley content in the back, we're doing a little bit of everything, a little bit for everyone. So if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead. It's free to subscribe, free to comment, it's free to like, and it's free to share. It's just click button, boom, you're done. Anyways, let's get on with this install. I already went ahead and I took off the back cowl right here, so we have easy access. We're gonna be taking off these two screws that are right under here, real easy to get to. Out. It's easy. Now you see it. Now you don't. That looks a lot better. That's gonna be your plate holder. It comes with the LED strip in the back so it can lighten up. And then this is gonna be your rear and turn signal light. Like I was saying, super thin, really clean. I cannot wait to see it. I wanna see it on because I wanna see how bright it is in person. So basically all you have right here is these two screws to put in. That's gonna get screwed back onto the back. We're gonna fish these wires right through the top, connect. It's all pretty much plug and play, real simple. If I could do it, you can do it. I always tell people I'm nowhere near a mechanic, so if I'm able to do certain things here in my garage, you can do it back at home as well. We're gonna start feeding everything to the back right here, all the wires. Look at that, super clean, man. Super clean. There's these two notches that are cut out right there where the original plate holder was at. And I'm just gonna kind of put this in a snug right there. And that's how it's gonna look. Super clean. All right, we got our plate holder right here. We're gonna feed the wire that goes through here into this hole and right up to the top. This is that as well. So the kit does bring these two long screws as well as these spacers right here. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the screws right through. All right, so I just put in both screws in with the spacers right here. And I'm just gonna thread them in real lightly first, just so I can give myself space on both sides. And don't have to worry about wedging in one of these spacers afterwards. So I just noticed something. This isn't the plate holder that I wanted. They have two, I guess. This one's gonna get screwed on like this, so the plate is still here. Still very nice, clean, but I wanted the other one that's kind of like right here. The bracket is different and it's supposed to stay like that, real tucked in. Yeah, this is what we have right now. I'm probably gonna end up changing it. I'll put it on for now and I'll see if I'm able to swap it out or just the plate holder. They should be able to do that for me. But yeah. Damn it. Let's just plug everything in to see if it's working properly. I don't want to clean anything up yet or make anything super perfect. I just want to make sure to plug in all my cables in, all my cables and wires in, just to make sure that I have the proper one's locked in. That's actually pretty bright. Right turn signal. Perfect. Left turn signal. Perfect. Brake. Perfect. And dual. Yes! All we really have ready to do now is just screw this onto here and put a plate, and that's it. We'll just finish pulling our wire up a little more, make sure everything's tightened up. Well, that's gonna conclude our install. As you can see, really simple. If I could do it, you guys could do it at home. It looks really nice. I'm just gonna put the plate right now. I'm gonna rock out with this. I'm gonna see how it looks. If I decide just to leave it like that, I'll leave it like that, but most likely I'm gonna want the other plate holder. So I'm gonna reach out to them. I'm gonna see if they can send it out to me and just make it just more cleaner. But this is a huge difference. And not for nothing, but the original one, let me get it. It's not as bulky as the ones that you see on the other bikes. Like it's not that bad. It looked okay. But going from that to this, it's a huge difference. Anyways, if you want to see more content like this, little installs, fun stuff with the R, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button. It's going to notify you anytime I upload any type of new content. We just hit 40K and it's only up from here, baby. The next install is going to be the DBK clear clutch cover, which I already have. I got the blue outer brim with the red pressure plate. I wanted to kind of mix and match a little bit, make it pop a little more. So that's going to be the next install. Then we're doing the exhaust. And a few other little things. One thing we got to do right now as well, we got to take off these rear passenger pegs because we're not going to be using these. So that's going to clean up the back a little bit more. Anyways, let me go do that real quick. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe and enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.